everyone, welcome to Eddie's class. In my today's video, I am going to discuss with you about rebellion and revolution. Rebellion and revolution both are two very important and significant terms in the study of history. The first point is, what is rebellion? How we can explain the term rebellion. Rebellion or uprising is a refusal of obedience or order. It refers to the open resistance against the orders of an established authority. The goal of rebellion is resistance, while a revolt seeks a revolution. So we can say that a rebellion is a resistance against something, particularly the government, authority, or other controlling forces. For example, when a large group of people refuse to follow a law, that is an perfect example of rebellion. Now the question is, who is a rebellious person? A rebellious person always likes to challenge the authority and break the rules every now and then. What are the elements of rebellion? There are mainly two elements of rebellion. Number one, the public uprising, and number two, taking arms against the constituted power or the government. There are so many examples of rebellion or uprising in the world history, such as 1857 revolt or the Sepoy mutiny in the Indian history, the Herzegovina uprising of 1875 to 1877, the Boxer rebellion, the Taiping rebellion from 1851 to 1864, the Eureka rebellion in 1854, the American Civil War. These are only few examples of rebellion. Now coming to revolution. What is revolution? Revolution is also a very important term in the study of history. As a historical process, revolution refers to a movement, often violent, to overthrow an old regime and effect. Revolution always brings a complete change in the fundamental institutions of the society. The word revolution comes from Latin and it is related to the word revolutio, which means a turn around. In one line, we can say that revolution is a very sharp change made to something. Revolutions are usually political in their nature. There are so many revolutions in the world history. For example, the Industrial Revolution, the French Revolution, the Scientific Revolution, the Russian Revolution, the Printing Revolution, the American Revolution, and so many. Now the question is, what is the basic difference between rebellion and revolution? A revolution is a successful rebellion. So it can be said that a rebellion or uprising is the first step of a revolution. If the rebellion fails, then it becomes a quenched rebellion. But if it succeeds, then it becomes a revolution. Revolution means a complete or a fundamental change in a very short time span. So from this discussion, we can conclude that rebellion and revolution are the two different sides of a coin. Rebellion or uprising gradually transform in a revolution. Hope I have made the points clear. Still, if you have any doubts, any questions, please comment me below. Thank you.